Hi and welcome back. In this video I'm gonna show you how to replace driver's side handrest on 2018 Dodge Grand Caravan. This is gonna be the same if you work on Dodge Grand Caravan from 2008 and all the way up to 2020. Also it will apply to Chrysler Town Country from 2008 to 2016. Like you can see in my vehicle, this handrest is worn and it looks ugly, so I'm gonna replace it with better one. This is very simple and straightforward job to do. The tools I'm gonna be using is small flathead screwdriver and then Torx bit number 45 and ratchet. It is the same thing if you are replacing driver's side or passenger side. It's the same procedure. So we're gonna start by prying this plastic cover off with a flathead screwdriver. I removed it, and now we can undo this Torx bolt. Once when that bolt is unscrewed, you can just simply pull it out. You can see I'm gonna attach the new one. So on the new one, you just need to put it back there. You wanna align that bolt that's gonna go in this hole. So like I said, we're gonna align it nicely. I have it on. I just need to tighten it up. I have the new one on, and don't forget just to put that plastic cover. Make sure it clicks, and that's all done. Job is completed. Thanks for watching.